guys! So, ang video natin is magdo-drawing si Kylie within 1 minute lang guys. So, titignan natin kung maabot ba yung kanyang drawing. So, meron ako dito clock. So, ayan guys. 1 minute lang dapat siya. Within 1 minute tapos na siya. So, yung mga ano yan, yung mga gagamitin lang niya is ito, answer projector at saka may pencil naman siya. So, gawin na natin to. Let's go. Huwag nang patagalin din. Timer starts now. Let's go. Oh, no, dali ah. Dr. Dibaymo, so go. Yung gym job niya guys, yung ano. One minute la ba ye? Go. Oops. So yung time niya is Doctor, 52, 53, 54. Dali ah! Dali ah! Ayun na pagkita sa oras. Oh, 1 minute. Stop. 1 minute and 3 seconds. So, tingnan natin yung goal niya. It is a doctor. Doctor ni. Wow! Very good guys. So, nagawa niya in 1 minute and 3 seconds guys. So, ayan guys. Okay ka na? Ayan guys, nagawa niya yung ating challenge guys within 1 minute. So, nakagawa siya ng heart na drawing. So, ito yung time niya guys. 1 and 3 seconds guys. Natapos niya guys. So, very good! Yay! So, nagawa niya guys yung ating challenge guys within